how to lock your Twitter account in 2023. So in this video, I'll go ahead and teach you guys how to do that. So let's just go ahead and get right on in. So you're going to want to swipe to the right and you're going to want to head over to these sections here, click on settings and support, and then click on settings and privacy. Now you can see here we have a lot of settings. Now you're going to want to head over to the privacy and safety setting here. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're actually here, you're going to want to click on audience and tagging. Once you actually go ahead and click on that, you should get two options. Now, one of the options here is photo tagging and the other option is protect your tweets. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and toggle on protect your tweets, and that should be able to lock your Twitter account. Now, if I head back over here, you should see that my Twitter account has actually have a lock on it, and that just means that you actually locked your Twitter account from anybody seeing your tweets. So that's essentially how you go ahead and lock your Twitter account on Twitter. It's fairly easy to do, but with that being said, hopefully you found this information helpful. Make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.